Guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at the weather in the UK. It's terrible, freezing cold, -10 and 12. Absolutely freezing cold, so you can't do anything. So it's very cold weather, so I'm going to make very spicy mixed vegetable pakora and ginger tea. So guys, I'm taking you in my kitchen. Let's go. So guys, this weather is freezing cold outside, so I'm making very spicy Indian snacks and it's mixed vegetable pakora. It's very easy and quick recipe, and you can make within 10 minutes very delicious snacks. So I'm going to make mixed vegetable pakora today with ginger tea. So guys, for mixed vegetable pakora, ingredients I have got, I'm taking spinach about 50 grams. So I'm taking lots of spinach because it's crunchy when you cook. And cauliflower, same, about 50 grams. 2 potatoes I peeled, 2 white onions, ½ inch of ginger, 4 green chilli, 2 cups of gram flour, ½ teaspoon chili powder, ½ teaspoon of garam masala, frying oil about 2 cups, ½ teaspoon of cumin seed, ½ teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to cut all vegetables first. First I'm going to cut onion, long sliced. So I cut the onion long slice like that. Same size potato as well. So spinach I roughly chopped like that. So green chili I chopped like this, a small size, and ginger is the same size. So guys, next I'm going to mix all together. So first I'm going to add chili powder, garam masala, salt, cumin seed, and gram flour. So guys, you don't need to add any water in the first, so mix all together, because if you add water in the beginning, your pakora will be very thin and very hard to fry. So don't add any water in the beginning. So I'm going to start mixing all together, and onions and spinach natural water come out naturally. You can add plain yogurt is 1 or 2 spoons. Make your pakora soft. So mix all together properly. Then add little bit of water, not too much. Same time add little bit of water if you need it. Otherwise don't put too much water. And mix till this smooth. So now it's mixed and ready to fry. So guys, I'm not putting too much gram flour. You can see it's enough to stick. I don't like to put too much gram flour, otherwise it's coming very thick. Next I'm taking a deep fry pan, gas on, and let it warm first. Then I'm going to add oil. So guys, you can see oil is very hot. Then I'm going to start frying. As you can see how beautiful looking this looks, already delicious. So I'm going to take out. It's crunchy and brown and well cooked. So guys, next I'm cooking ginger tea. So I put water there. Then going to put some crushed ginger. Add already tea bags and let it boil. Then I'm going to add milk. So guys, I'm not going to add any sugar. It's totally optional. If you want to add sugar, you can add. So guys, is tea ready? So guys, this is my quick snacks ready. Mixed vegetable pakora. You can see looks delicious. And I'm going to serve with green chutney and red chili sauce. And I have got ginger tea. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, everyone, take care. Bye bye.